Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. If you're new here, my name is Philo and I make a lot of Amazon videos. I feel like this month I'm a little more out of control than usual because I've been posting like Amazon finds and favorites every week. But in my defense, I had a couple of gift cards, so that's why, not because I'm obsessed or addicted or anything like that. But today I have so many good things to show you. I also have a couple of fails, which is a good change. So I cannot wait to share everything with y'all today. Everything will be linked down below, including this amazing bodysuit. I'll talk about it in a second. It's from Amazon, spoiler alert, and my jewelry and everything. Also my Amazon shop, if you're new here or you haven't checked it out, I update that daily and there's so many categories. I'm very proud of how organized it is right now. And follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Let's go ahead and jump right in. I saw this on TikTok and I couldn't believe it was from Amazon and not from DHgate. I've been wanting, this is like so losery of me because I literally know nothing about this brand, but I've been wanting this off-white keychain for the longest time because I love grabbing my keys like a bracelet. It's so convenient with dogs, with carrying groceries, with a baby now. And I have a very cute one from Amazon. It looks like this and I wear it all the time. I use it all the time, but this is just so much cooler and cuter. So I ended up getting the white with the pink because I'm Philo and I love pink, and it just says off-white. To me it looks so legit. Like I said, it feels like it came out of DHgate. It was $13 on Prime shipping. It's gone down to $11 now. It comes in red, it comes in black, it comes in so many different colors, and it also comes with this, which I believe it's like very iconic to the Off-White brand. I'm not gonna use this because who needs that? I feel like I get these sunglasses like once a year. I stay losing them for some reason, and it's only these. These are total dupes. They're like identical to these key sunglasses, Jezebel style, and those are like over $60. These are like $11. They are the exact same frame. They come in different color combinations, so you can get like the gold a different color and the black. Am I okay? But I love these. They're so comfortable. They feel super high quality, and like I said, I tend to lose sunglasses. Okay, am I gonna take these off? I tend to lose sunglasses pretty frequently for some freaking reason, and I love that these aren't super expensive if I do lose them or if they get messed up. But I'm obsessed with them. I think they're so cute, perfectly oversized. They go with literally everything. If you go to my Instagram, you can see my million pictures wearing these. Okay, so let's discuss this bodysuit because I am truly obsessed with it. I want to get it in every single color. I feel like it's such a good basic and it fits so well. So in my last Amazon finds and favorites, I showed it in white. It fit perfectly, so much so that I got it in another color. So I'm going to show you a try-on clip. When I did that video, I was probably 3 weeks postpartum. Now I'm 4 weeks, so I'm feeling a little better about my body, and I'm wearing jeans today for the first time. But y'all, it's the most flattering cut. I don't feel like I'm being squished. I am not wearing a bra, which to me it's like a miracle with bodysuits because it's double lined, no nipples or anything showed through. Like I said, I got the white, which is a very light color obviously, and nothing shows through. This one is like a neon orange. It comes in so many different shades. I'm definitely getting more fall tones next, but I had to snag this one up. To me, it fits true to size. The review said size up. I feel snatched, I feel comfortable, I feel confident. So it's definitely a piece that I'm going to get in so many more colors because I feel like it's going to become a really good basic to mix and match with other items in my closet, and it's $20. So go get it because I will force you to. It's amazing. So I've been wearing nothing but these pajama sets from Amazon. I did a whole video back in December with my favorite ones, and I just wanted to get another one because I don't want to do laundry all the time. I probably have like 6 that I rotate wearing. So I got this one from one of my favorite brands, but I got a size large, and these are huge. I love to size up when it comes to Amazon, especially now that I'm like postpartum and I don't really know what's going on with my sizing, but I feel like their brand runs pretty true to size. So it's just this pajama set. I got the shorts and the short sleeve version, so I have to return it unfortunately, and I think I'm gonna get a white instead of the navy. I really like the navy, it's just super classic, but something about the white with the black trim is so cute. So if you're looking for like an amazing quality pajama set, I cannot recommend this brand of pajamas enough. They have a ton of different styles, but stay true to your size. I think everything runs pretty true to size. Sorry about the background music, my daughter's swing is going. But the next thing are these 2-pack of these dry erase boards for the refrigerator. I've been wanting this for a while because it's something like we look at our fridge every single day. So if we need to get like reminded of something, or we are like missing things, like for example we need all that stuff, that way we can easily look at it and add it to our like shopping list or anything like that. Or here, like if we have any events coming up or anything. Right now we just have this because we're Nursery. But anyway, it comes with the 2 things. One says we're out of, and the other one says let's do it, or let's do this, and then 3 neon dry erase markers, and then this little thing to erase it. I love it. It was super inexpensive and it's just really helpful. I love the look of lash extensions. My lashes are like okay, I guess. So I decided to get this to try out. So this is the little pack I got. It comes in different sizes and like styles. You can get like a 10mm natural, or you can get a volume set, so many things. And this little box is about $10. So I'm super excited to use them. However, I think I chose the wrong glue. This is the glue I got also from Amazon. It's called the Long Lasting Eyelash Adhesive. And if you're familiar with the Kiss eyelash extensions thing, basically it's the same idea, but it doesn't have like a sealer or like whatever. It's just the glue in this form. So I think I need to get a lash extension glue, because this one is more for like clusters or regular like lash strips. So I will update y'all. Let me know if y'all want to see me like do it in a vlog or a tutorial or something like that. Like I said, I'm not sure how it's gonna work out, but for $10 this is a steal. So I got this thanks to one of y'all. It was one of y'all's recommendation, and I've had it in my save for later for a while, and I had a gift card like I said, so I thought why not just get it now. It is this duvet cover set, and I posted an Instagram story saying I really didn't like my Casa Luna duvet, like linen duvet from Target. I thought it was very overpriced. I don't like how it washes, blah blah. So one of you recommended this. I'm sorry I don't remember her name, and I ended up getting this color. So my main complaint with the entire thing is that the colors are extremely confusing. Like they have like a gray, and then a khaki gray, and then light cream gray. It's very hard to tell what color you're actually gonna get. So I thought this was gonna be slightly more beige, or maybe a little bit more warm tone. And my house, especially my bedroom, is very neutral whitish. Like I really like light neutrals, and I feel like this one, especially on camera, you can really tell it's looking very gray. But that being said, it feels really soft. It feels like it's gonna wash really well. It has incredible reviews, so I cannot wait to actually get a color that I like so I can try it out for y'all. But if you're in the market for a new duvet cover that is like kind of like linen-y, I think this one is really good, just like from touching it. I can't attest to how it washes or how it lasts or anything like that, but like I said, the reviews are really good. So since I started shopping on Amazon, one of my all-time favorite things to get is bath bombs, because Lush bath bombs are incredible. They're amazing. They smell so good, and they're so bubbly and colorful. They're super expensive. So on Amazon you usually can get a huge pack for less than 20 bucks or less than 30 depending on what you get. So I decided to try this one out, and I showed it in an Instagram story that I was gonna update you, and here it is. So I got this set. You get 25 bath bombs plus like a few little extra things for $20, which is a pretty good deal. But I don't think y'all can tell how small, well, you can definitely tell on camera, you couldn't tell on my Instagram story, how small these are. So usually I get like full-size bath bombs. I've been getting them for a while for less than $30. These are like the teeniest, tiniest things. So that being said, I tried one out. And the color was good. The scent is really good. They are labeled, and you get a ton of different kind of scents and colors, which is very cute. I think this would work as like a one gift situation, since it comes like very nicely wrapped. There's like more at the bottom. I have a newborn, like you'll probably know, and we've been having this like debate in our house with like the temperature of our house. I feel like our room gets super cold, and that's where she's currently sleeping, and her nursery doesn't get as cold. So my husband and I have this debate whether like the nursery is actually hotter than our room. room. So I decided to fix that by getting this little thermometer situation. So you get a 2-pack for like $14 or $11 off Amazon, and it reads the temperature and the humidity in the room. And so far I think it's pretty accurate, but obviously I don't know for sure. But it's a great way to tell. I saw the reviews, like people were saying that they had eczema or they wanted to see if their humidifier was working, and they were testing it out with this. To me, it was more of like a temperature discrepancy issue, because if we set the AC at 74, for example, our room is like usually at 71 and the nursery is at 74. Does that make sense? So I like it. If you'll need something like this, I don't know why a lot of people would, but I freaking love this. We've been using it every single day. I definitely was like on a treat yourself bender with this order, so I got a ton of things from my current wish list of my Amazon shop. So I got this. I've been wanting this for a while because we used to have one of these automatic dispensers back when we lived in the apartment, and it was like amazing. So I got this set. So it comes with the automatic soap dispenser. You basically put your hand down here and it automatically dispenses soap, and you add it right here. It's amazing, literally a game changer before the pandemic, especially now. And then this one comes as a set with this and then this. It's super cute for like $30 or so. The only problem is I don't have AAA batteries right now, and there's like a storm going on in Houston, so I haven't been to the store, but I'm so excited to have this. And it comes in the cutest little box, wrapped, like everything's super cute. So once again, this would make a great little holiday gift. If you follow me on Instagram or you watch my last vlog, you know I'm obsessed with the Cricut. So I've been doing a ton of things with it. And one of my favorite things to do is make cups. I have a video on that coming soon. But I wanted to get some of these really fun holographic papers. So I ended up getting a pack off Amazon, and it was like $9 for 5 pieces. They're not super big, they're 12 by 12, and you do need a mat because it's not like a smart material, but super fun. And these are the permanent vinyl, so you can put them in cups and like without worrying. And then I got a pack of these that are solid colors for I think $9 as well, or 13. And these are also permanent, which I'm excited to use eventually. And then these are the rest of the holographic. Super affordable. I'm really into it because I don't want to get a ton of different rolls if I didn't know how much I was going to use them. So this is a way to try out a bunch of different colors. So this is a little bit of a fail, actually a big fail. I've been seeing these bags everywhere on Instagram. They are basically very similar to Bottega Veneta, like dumpling bags and things like that. So I decided to get this one off Amazon, and looking at it, you might think, oh, that's cute. It's so cheaply made. I don't know if it's because I'm used to like the HA replicas that literally feel so good, but this was like $45. And first of all, it's teeny tiny, like smaller than my hand. This chain is straight up plastic, not even like a faux metal, it's just plastic. And what's cool is that like it's magnetic, so it closes like this, but I truly could only fit maybe a wallet like that's this big and my phone, nothing else in there. And then the strap is just like a piece of string that you have to like, I guess, tie yourself. No. I will pass. I will continue to find like cool bags off Amazon because I think that's more accessible, and a lot of people like would rather do dupes than replicas. But this is so freaking disappointing for $45. I just don't think it's worth the money. Can't believe I'm saying this. I have a 1-month-old. Can y'all believe that? 4 weeks ago I gave birth. Shook. Anyway, my newborn essentials video is coming, but I have to talk about this because I'm obsessed. These are some baby oral cleaner toothbrushes, but they're basically just like gauze on a stick. That's just how I can describe it. And this is what they look like. They come individually wrapped, which is really good for like cleanliness. But y'all, I'm obsessed with this. Cleaning her mouth and her tongue is like basically impossible because she moves so much. So at first we were doing it with like this like toothbrush thing. It wasn't working out, and then my doctor said just use gauze, and then like that wasn't working out because my fingers were getting like in there. not like it grosses me out or anything, but it wasn't like efficient. So this is amazing. I got this off Amazon. It comes with 36 pieces for like $7, and I cannot recommend it enough. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoy these, please give it a thumbs up, because I may or may not have enough stuff coming this week to make another Amazon Finds and Favorites for the month. I think this is my third. I might do 4 this month, which is insanity. But I'm out of control, what can I say? And I know y'all like these, so if you do, just give it a thumbs up and I'll make another one very soon. Like I said, check out my Amazon shop if you haven't already. That's usually where I update like at least twice a day with new finds and things on my wish list and things that are coming in videos or all-time favorites and things like that. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I also like to share sneak peeks of Amazon things, links, all that good stuff there. And yeah, subscribe please if you haven't already. I have so many Amazon videos coming your way. And that's everything I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one.